Hello, real estate investors. Today I'm outside the duplex where we had the police standoff. I guess it's been about a month and a half ago. But I'm finally finished with it, just here today to get my stuff out of here, the last of my stuff. And I do have it leased, so I've done the lease on it tonight. While I'm here, I'm going to mow the grass. I've got 7 yards to mow, 90-degree weather, so I'm not looking forward to that. But in the garage, I tore down the wall, got rid of all the shelves. It's still pretty rough in here, but it's a garage, so it's good enough. Tenant can park their car in here, use it for storage. Felt like I took out 1,000 screws, and I can see I missed a bunch of them right here. But here's just the screws we saved. I ended up hauling between the garage and the stuff in there. I think I took 6 truckloads to the dump. So that was a lot of fun making all those trips. I ended up changing out the front door to match. These are fiberglass doors, and I really like these for rentals because they don't dent up like the cheap metal doors do when tenants are moving in and out. Inside, it felt like I was patching drywall for 2 days. I'd do a round patch, and then I'd find things that I missed, and just felt like 2 days I was just walking around doing endless drywall patches in here. Thanks to the viewer that suggested I put that couch on Marketplace. It really worked out good. Same day I had someone, I just listed it for free. Had someone come, a young couple that needed a couch. They just bought a house, so they carried it out. I didn't have to mess with it, and they were happy, I was happy, so thank you again for that suggestion. I did salvage the carpets. There's still wear marks, but I was able to get all the stains out. My carpet guy, I was a little disappointed in him. He used to have this rotary head carpet cleaner that would do magic, but now he's just got the regular steamer, and it didn't do a very good job. So actually used my Bissell carpet cleaner with some Zep cleaner carpet cleaning solution, and it did a really good job getting the stains out. So there's still wear marks, but the stains are all pretty much out. Inside the kitchen, I replaced the lights. I was going to replace the fluorescent fixture with this style, but put it there. When I took down the fluorescent fixture, there were 3 big holes in the ceiling, so I didn't feel like messing with it and trying to match its texture, so I just bought this LED light panel to put up there to cover the holes. Not a big fan of these. I feel like there's a service call waiting to happen, but it saved me some time on this one. Replaced the kitchen faucet. The one that was there was original, so it was probably 30 years old, so I went ahead and replaced that. We painted all the doors white, and I think that really helps to make the place look a little more modern, having white doors. And if someone's going to beat me up, I didn't change all the switches and outlets, but you know, you got to kind of pick what you're going to do on these jobs. I can't be here forever making the place perfect. Same thing with the plumbing. I took out the utility sink. We fixed up the plumbing, got rid of the shark bites, but there's still some craziness up there that I left. I just soldered on caps on that. And I did discover he had mounted that utility sink screwed through my tiles, so that was nice. In the bedrooms, we changed out, they had single bulb fixtures, these little single bulb fixtures that's in the hallway, and it just felt dark in here, so I went ahead and put 2 bulb fixtures in 2 of the bedrooms. Bathroom, surprisingly, we didn't really have to do a lot, just painted the doors, put on a shower head, and that was about it. In this bedroom, I didn't discover it on the original walkthrough, but this door, someone had kicked it in, and they put white duct tape over where the wood was missing. So I scabbed a piece of wood on there and covered it with Ready Patch, sand it, paint it. It looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but better than white duct tape. This carpet was the worst room. I think it came out the best. All the stains seem to be gone. Once again, changed out the light fixture, painted the closet doors. Master, not sure why there's a deadbolt on here, but I left it. Didn't want to have to mess with the hole. I left the ceiling fan. These carpets, you can still see wear marks in them, but it's good enough. In the bathroom, fixed the drywall where I think he tried to climb through that access panel and tore up the drywall. So I got this place leased. I listed it online and had 2 days scheduled for showings, and I got 6 really good qualified tenants. I rented it for $12.50, and it kind of sucked. I had to call 5 people and tell them they didn't get it, and they were all over 600 credit scores, 3 times income, gross income of 3 times the rent. It sucks making that call, but it's part of the business. But anyhow, hope you guys like this kind of content. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about the turn, and thank you for watching.